The next thing we're going to talk about is creating groups. Groups are a good way to keep your contacts organized. So the way we do that is similar to adding a new contact. We're going to click new. We're going to name it group 1 and save and close. And the way we add contacts to the group is going back over to the contacts tab, contacts. You can do it via adding a new contact or an existing contact. You're going to click this pencil button here and scroll down, and you should see that group 1 that we created. We're going to click that, save and close. And now that contact is in group 1, so it allows you to search by those groups. It makes it easier to find if you have contacts in certain regions or areas that you're selling in. It's a great way to keep that organized. So I want to show you guys how to add multiple contacts to a group in one shot. So in our contacts list, I have 2 contacts here, and I want to add them to a new group. So what we can do is we can check these boxes here and select as many contacts as we want to go into that new group. And once we have those boxes checked, we can go to Action, Manage Groups, and then we can toggle on which group we want to add those contacts to. So we're going to add them to that new group that we created. I'm going to check that box here and hit apply. And if we go under new group now, we should see that those contacts have been added to the new group as well as group 1. Now we go back, refresh here. So we should see those 2 contacts have now been added to the new group.